The beauty of nature. Nature is very beautiful and important for humans. Mountains, rivers, trees, and flowers make the world colorful and alive. Birds sing and animals live freely in forests. Nature gives us food, water, and clean air. People should protect nature and avoid cutting trees or polluting rivers. Spending time in nature is relaxing and makes our mind calm. Everyone should enjoy nature and try to take care of it for a better future. And this is my YouTube channel, SD Learning English. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video.